The number one mistake parents make when helping their child read is focusing too much on sounding out words, but completely missing the one skill that makes reading feel easy. That skill is fluency. And in this video, I'll show you a three-step fluency system, a simple method I use to help kids go from hesitant readers to confident readers who love books. Here's what most parents do. They sit with their child and go through each word. K, at, cat, s, at, sat. But after 5 minutes, your child's tired, you're frustrated, and reading feels like a chore. It's not that your child can't read, it's that no one's ever taught them how to read smoothly. Fluency is what connects word recognition to understanding. When kids read smoothly, their brains don't have to work so hard on each sound, so they can focus on meaning. Think of it like learning to drive. At first, every movement takes effort. The pedals, mirrors, steering. But once you're fluent behind the wheel, it feels natural. You can actually enjoy the ride. That's what fluency does for reading. It turns effort into ease. So, let's dive into the three-step fluency system. Step 1. Echo reading. You read a sentence first. Then your child repeats it, matching your tone and speed. This builds rhythm, expression, and confidence. Tip: exaggerate your tone slightly. When you sound alive, your child mirrors that energy.
The cat sat on the mat.
The cat sat on the mat.
Step 2. Phrase practice. Highlight small word groups like in the garden, on the chair. Have your child read those phrases smoothly, not word by word. This trains the brain to recognize meaning chunks, not just letters.
In the garden. On the chair.
In the garden. On the chair.
Step 3. Repeated reading. Choose a short passage and reread it daily for a week. Familiarity builds fluency. It's like muscle memory for reading. You'll literally see their pace and confidence improve each day. Bonus tip: time their reading on day 1 and day 5. Then celebrate the improvement. If you want to start building your child's fluency at home, I've put together a free resource called the Smart Start Fluency Kit. It includes echo reading scripts, phrase cards, and daily fluency passages. Click the link below to download it for free. You'll be amazed how much progress your child makes in just 1 week. Because when reading feels good, kids choose to do more of it.